What is Web3? If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. The evolution of the internet can be understood in three major stages. First is Web 1.0, which began in the 1990s. During this era, the internet functioned as a read-only medium. Users could view information on static web pages, but there was little to no interaction. It was decentralized, with content spread across various websites without a central platform. Next came Web 2.0 in the 2000s. This phase introduced the read-write model, allowing users to interact with content, write blog posts, and engage on social media platforms. Over time, however, Web 2.0 became centralized around a few major platforms that began to control user data and content. In response, Web3 emerged as a new concept built on blockchain technology. It represents a read-write-own model, where users can participate in the web while also maintaining ownership of their digital assets. Web3 promises decentralization, digital democracy, and ownership through the use of tokens. Examples of Web3 applications include cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, non-fungible tokens or NFTs, and decentralized autonomous organizations or DAOs. Users can earn tokens in exchange for contributing online. However, challenges remain, including high energy usage, scams, and uncertain scalability.